Hopefully.
If it's not...
Yeah, just take your time there, that's all. Don't make any sudden, scary moves. You can't see. If you can't see, you can't go, basically. Let's make a left lane change. And left turn at the lights. Keep that left signal on. Bit of a wonky intersection here. Remember this one. So when you enter that intersection, just a little bit less further out is what I'm trying to say. You understand?
Yeah, it was a little far out.
Okay. At the stop sign, we're going to make a right turn. And we'll park it on this hill here again. That's good. Okay. And we'll take off. Straighten the wheels out.
There you go.
So that they're pointed straight ahead instead of sharply to the left. We'll skip the downhill parking. That's no problem there. I don't think they're 9 times out of 10 they ask you to do the uphill with the curb.
Okay.
And if they ask you to park it here, then you just turn your wheels to the right, that's all. Nice. And then at the stop sign, or traffic sign, we're going to make a right turn.
All those bushes.
We'll go into the Rexall parking lot here again. We'll do the reverse parking between those two cars again.